6:39 Hong Kong time, January 12, 2024, first year anniversary. Happy anniversary! Kiss. Room tour.
Ulo? Okay, sorry.
This is a very cute room.
Yeah.
You have to understand because this is Hong Kong. They have very small hotel rooms. This is very nice. In my standard. It's very cute. Compared to my accommodation in Tsim Sha Tsui in 2018. Kinda messy. We have a very good sleep. From Hong Kong, happy birthday, Uncle Patshorn! We wish you good health and long life.
We hope to see you soon, Uncle and Auntie. Thank you for all the blessings that you're sharing with us. More birthdays and more blessings to come.
See you soon! Bye-bye!
お待たせいたしました。Sure. お待たせいたしました。ごゆっくりどうぞ。失礼します。One fork, right? One fork.
Congratulations, experiences, last year, he has been your host, Mark Bennett Experiences. Is Engineer Nilo Gabay and Mrs. Nora Gabay. For Miss Lucky Bautista Farm is Mr. Jurgen and Mrs. Sherilyn Laganilia. For Miss Jada Roofing Center is Mr. Garizaldi and Miss Jingle Robilios. Presenting your Miss Artico Presto Cafe and Photography is Mr. Arnold T. Arcilia.
Valdez, kapusang loob na sumang-ayon na sila'y magsasama bilang mag-asawa, nagpahayag ng kanilang mahangaring sa harapan ng mga saksi at pinatunayan nila na wala silang ligal na malapit para sila'y kasal. Ako, si Erlon Clemente Agustin, punong bayan ng Kamiling Tarlac, sa kapangyarihan na ibigay sa akin ng batas, sila'y aking pinagtataning puso at pinapahayag na sila ngayon ay mag-asawa. Ang bagong kasal si Mr. John Ernesto and Mrs. Michelle Sado.
Yay! Yay! Congrats!
Mabilis talaga niya.
Napagod na si Lola. Baka mag-change outfit siya.
Change outfit?
Change outfit.
Ayun. Nagparada ko lang ba? Wow.
Si Lola mag-change outfit.
Outfit. Change outfit. Kaklase ni Lola.
Ayan, nakasara dyan o. Nakalak?
Well,
Ayun, pero makatawa na. Makasiyan.
change outfit. Change outfit si Lola.
The entrance of the first runner-up of 2016 in the person of Madam Josefina Duque Soriano. Madam Josefina Di Soriano was a master teacher too of the Caminiti Central District, Caminiti Central Elementary School, Caminiti District. She is escorted by the very handsome son of Madam Josie Jerome of the Tarlac College University.
Sabay.
Ma'am Arlie.
Ay, si Doc. Oh! Ma'am Melanie.
Zero. Ginoo. Sukuli oh.
Niluto. Okay naman ang padres. Parang mais ka na malasang tabado. Bakit ginaganyan ko yung damit ko? Dito ko ba lang tayo? Ayan. Wala namang video ng reaction.
Pasasalikan mo naman ng ibig. Naglisik ka. Hindi, joke lang.
Video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo!
Asan si AJ? Hindi, pinag niya yan si Thor.
Lalagay sa simbahan, ano yan?
Gorgeous naman ang dress.
Gorgeous naman, oh eh.
Uy, doon kayo sa banyo si Lolo nung agad.
Ay, bil na madilain. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Kabay ka ito, tagbabayinte.
Masakay sa tricycle.
Ay, tulungan mo siya.
Napagod din ba ako makanta?
Happy birthday, Tatogo!
lots eh.
Bigay mo na Lola yung gun mo. Oh.
Ano sasabihin kay Lola?
Ay, kunin mo to. Iror mo man Berlin.
Damit ni Choy Choy. Oh, ganda!
Wow!
Wow, LB!
Ay, yung isa pa.
Ito pa isa.
Wow!
Thank you, Manang.
Smile. Eh.